Today we're going to be looking at 3 key questions regarding SEO, namely how does SEO work, how does it help your business, and most importantly, is it worth it? These are the questions that service-based businesses ask us every day, and today I'm going to be answering all 3 of them for you. So first of all, what is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving the quality and the quantity of website content to rank it higher on the search engines, primarily Google, and for keywords that directly relate to your services. For example, if you're a plumber based in London, getting your website to the top for keywords like plumber in London is going to increase the amount of leads you get and how much work is going to be coming in. So that right there answers the questions of how does it help your business and is it worth it, which I think you'll agree is yes. So, how can you make SEO work for you? For service businesses, the main places we want your business to show in is the map pack and the organic listings. These are both at the top of Google. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So let's get started. Number 1, keyword research. Now, the first thing you want to do before starting any SEO campaign is to know what keywords to target. The best tools we use are Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Google Keyword Planner. For this video, we're going to use Google Keyword Planner as it's free. So all you need to do is go to Tool in the Google Ads and then search for the keyword you want to rank for. Type in about 5 keywords and then Google will suggest a few more keywords for you. Now what happens is a list of the keywords you selected and some variations will appear for you. Here you can see the keyword and how many people are searching this per month. Both really useful insights. Put all of these onto an Excel sheet and now you know what you want to rank for to generate more local leads for your business. Secondly, getting ranked in the map pack. The map pack is a listing that shows directly under the ads and above the organic listings. This is known as a Google business listing. It's easy to set up. All you need to do is head over to google.com/business. Here you can follow a step-by-step guide to setting up the listing. It's super easy. Google's going to ask you for your company details and then it's going to send you a code in a post just to verify that you are who you say you are. Once you've got this pin, just pop it in and your listing will go live. Now, having this listing on its own is not enough. The most important thing, and I can't stress this enough, is to optimize it well. First of all, you're going to want to include your logo and any images of your team. We recommend looking at how many images your nearest competitor has uploaded and then add more. To do this, type in your service into Google, click through to the map pack, scroll down, and you'll see how many images they have. Now, if they have 50, you should add more. If you're struggling for what to include, you put things like before and after photos, your team, and your premises if you have them. These are all great things that your customers want to see and they're going to help you rank. Next, make sure you have included a description, your opening hours, the correct telephone number, email address, and all of your services. Google is picking up all of the information you're putting on the listing, so make sure you're using plenty of keywords from the list you put together earlier. Lastly, and this one is without doubt the most important factor to ranking your business higher, and it's getting reviews. Much like with the images, you're going to want to have more reviews and a better score than your closest competitors. Do a search for your service in your area. If the listing has a lot of reviews, you'll need to actively message your clients and try to get more. Once you're in the top 3 listings for multiple keywords, this will generate you a steady flow of local work. Now that's set up, let's move on to the other aspects of SEO that will influence your ranking. Website titles and descriptions. A title and description is what you see before you click through to the website on Google. Now, this is an important ranking factor on Google, and if you want to rank higher for a service in a local area, you must have these in place. To check your title, open up your web page and hover over the tab. This will show you what it is. If it does not include any of your keywords, you will need to change this and then re-index the page back to Google. You might be struggling with this step, and if you are and you need some further help, we've got a full video on writing titles and descriptions for local SEO, and you'll find it in the link to the description of this video. Next up, it's submitting to local directories. Now, there are tons of local business directories out there that your business should be listed on to help it rank and bring in more money. To get started, go to Ahrefs Backlink Checker, drop in your URL and you'll see all of your backlinks. If you're not on some of the biggest directories like Yale, UK Small Business Directory and Yelp, then set up a profile and get listed. Most of them are free and they're really helpful in getting your business found locally. Make sure all of the details are consistent, like your phone number, address and email, and if they allow you to, put as many images on there as possible. So now that you're on some directories, it's time to optimize your content. The content that's on your page is a massively important ranking factor for Google. Let's do a search for loft conversions Essex. You will see this page ranks at the top. Now this is because the page has tons of information about loft conversions in that area. It's got the types of loft and also the company's pricing. So if you're trying to rank number 1 for any keyword, do a Google search. Look at the pages at the top and then make your content 10 times better. How do you do that? Simple. All you need to do is make your content more informative and more useful to the reader, as well as containing more keywords. This way, Google will see how good the content is and they'll put you closer to the top. And while we're on the subject of content, let's move on to our final tip, blogging. Blogging really helps build up trust and authority on your website. You should blog with the intention of offering as much value to the reader as possible and to generate large amounts of traffic. Fill your blog with how-to guides, awards you've won, relevant podcasts to your industry, and anything you can think of that will help your audience. This will place you as an authority in your industry and build trust with your potential customers. And as a result, Google will place your website higher. And by now you should know the higher your website ranks, the more inquiries you're likely to get, and more inquiries equals more business. To summarise, SEO is a vital aspect of any service business's online marketing strategy. By implementing the right SEO techniques and strategies, you can improve your website's search engine ranking and attract more potential customers to your business. A key thing to remember is SEO is not a one-time thing. It requires continuous efforts and monitoring to ensure that your website stays on the top of search engine rankings. If you enjoy our content and find it valuable, don't forget to like this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and leave some comments below. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.